The Trail range. Waimea Truck and Crane are proud to introduce our Duravault Toolboxes, New Zealand's only toolboxes with a lifetime warranty. Left and right hand mount models to fit behind the wheel arch. 1.5mm industrial grade steel with black powder coat finish. Stainless steel continuous hinge. Bottom opening door with chain. Key lockable T-latch handle. Rubber waterproofing seal. Thanks for taking the time to look at our product videos. To see more information, please visit waimea.co.nz or free phone us on 0800 60 60 61.